What's up, DramaAlert Nation? I'm your host, Killer Keemstar. Let's get right into the news. Today's first story is about the FIFA community and the striptease videos smaller FIFA YouTubers are starting to do to get views, and they've been very successful doing so. Many FIFA YouTubers are starting to pimp out their girlfriends, making them strip down to their underwear to get views. Well, yesterday, the FIFA community hit an all-time low when a FIFA YouTuber didn't even have his girlfriend strip. He literally went out, found a woman, paid her to strip in his FIFA video. Now, as a person that's been in gaming entertainment for 6 years, it's kind of strange to see cam girls take over Twitch and now FIFA YouTubers pimping out their girlfriends to take over the FIFA community. Also in the news, also from the FIFA community, big drama, a fight between two smaller FIFA YouTubers. It started with Kosh, who said, laughing my ass off, still remember the day that cunt Ezekiel blocked me because I did a video with Harry. Some people, though. Ezekiel responded by saying, the day I see you face to face, I dare you to call me a cunt. Kosh responded with, oh, it'll happen. I beg that day be on Insomnia, cause you try some shit and you gonna say goodbye to your GTR that gassed you. Ezekiel responded, I'll hold you to that. It'll be a day you finally get a glimpse of relevance in the FIFA community. Kosh responded by saying, I'm looking forward to it. At least then you can actually stop being a pussy and handle things like a man. Not every day, Act 10. Ezekiel responded, when's Insomnia? Kosh responded by saying, chain of events. Ezekiel gets in his GTR, drives 2 miles, stops and realizes he's a pussy, and goes back home. Now, everybody in the FIFA community were talking about this. It got so much publicity that a bet site known as Betfair was taking bets on the fight. Ladies and gentlemen, that's it for the news today. It's been kind of dead out there in the community as far as drama and news goes. Guys, let's try to shoot for, I don't know, 10 likes. DramaAlert Nation now over 488,000 subscribers.